Amazing, I'm making that money, I'm always on go. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap. I got the deal, the hoe I don't cap. I got the track and it land in my lap. I got tired of trapping.
What up, everybody? We in Houston, La Porte, Baytown, Pasadena area. Just turning up tonight, getting ready for Truck Nationals tomorrow. We ain't got no trucks in that. We ain't got no trucks in that bitch this year, but maybe next year, you know. How's up, man? How you feeling, brother?
Ready for tomorrow, baby. Staying warm. Stay warm.
What the fuck? I'm not gonna put fit at the end of their names and shit. Like fit?
You wanna know my specialty? Hey, you wanna know my specialty? I could teach you how to. I could teach you how to gain weight, and I could teach you how to not be sore your muscles. Puro comer chingo y fumar mota. You hear me? I'm like, I'm a fitness instructor. I can teach you how to gain weight and how to not be sore at the end of the workout.
What do you mean?
I can teach you how to eat dirty, put munchies, and I could smoke you out after, and you won't feel it anymore. After the workout.
What do you mean?
Y'all better be ready. It's going down. Truck Nationals, Houston, Texas.
Tired of trapping, I started a rap. I'm smoking OG mixed with strawberry cough. Back in 18, I done took me a loss. Put my trust in the game, turned myself to a boss. Smoking good Cali weed, bitch, I'm high off the sauce. Took over my city, now they want it back. They started shooting, my homies shot back on my niggas.
Yes, sir, you know the vibes. We got the Ciroc. Ooh, almost spilled that. Got the beers, water. Got the brown shit. Got the absolute blue. Race day, baby.
They want smoke, they say they can stay off the cushions to cookies. Feel like I'm high.
For the vlog, for the vlog.
Ah, you like Ciroc?
Take a shot.
Yeah. Shout out Bahamas Pirates.
Oh,
it came with it
was meant to be.
It came with a kick.
Oh yeah, bro. Todo el trago vino con la barra.
Y'all want a shot? Y'all good? Y'all good? Now put a whole Sprite in there.
Mike 2 Fit.
Like 250s. Hey, Pamas, you got the straws, know it? Woo! Se le toda la Sprite buena, pedo. What's happening?
What's good? What's good? Rolling One.
Shout out Rolling One. Where y'all located?
Alamo, Texas.
Right
off the freeway.
Right off the expressway.
I got the track and it land in my lap. I got tired of trapping, I started to rap. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap. I got the deal, the hoe I don't cap. I got the track and it land in my lap. I got tired of trapping, I started to rap. I don't catch feelings, baby, I take flights. Check out my closet, my t-shirts on white. Book a trip out the valley.
Ya se acabó lo bueno.
Se acabó el guac guac.
Where that peach is at?
Where them peach bottom booties?
Good shit, bro. That one tastes good. El guac no.
Hey.
Really fake.
Hey. It was real fake, man. You know?
Women drivers equals no survivors.
shout out to Houston, Baytown, Truck Nationals. Shout out on the gas, Spike, Bale 5-0, Dos Monedas Records, Big Pimpin', all niggas, Salsa Musik GCP pulling up. Last blunt of the day.
We're taking over,
First
baby.
blunt of the day, last blunt in Houston.
First blunt of the day, last blunt of the Airbnb, I guess you want to say, whatever the fuck. I just threw an orange and
Vacate.
fucking this man.
One city at a time, baby.
Cause we taking over.
Once.
Near you. GCP.
Ryan who? Ryan who?
Right? Who knew?
Wait, just got a pack shipped in from out of state. If it fits in the box,
We out here, baby. Tell me about your trip. How's your night, baby? How's your night, baby?
Shit, I fell asleep like a baby, dog.
Like a baby.
I got in trouble. I got in trouble for recording in the club.
He's our little
guys.
brother, you know what I mean?
We still got free shots off of that.
He was our DD.
Not really.
Not really.
A dumb driver. I didn't say what DD standing for.
Dumb designated. Hey, you're triple D. You just put it right there.
There's little things a little more important right now, like
The blunt?
smoking that blunt.
Like that blunt?
Man,
getaway?
crazy bro. I fucking made out with 3 bitches.
You really gonna block that? Facts. Facts.
They were güeritas. They were pretty. They had nice smiles. Fuck it, right?
That's what you need.
And cut.
Put my
You gotta go like that.
and cut. We smoking, nigga. We drinking. We doing our thing, nigga. We got gas. Nigga, we got gas, nigga.
It's all about the transition.
At this mic. Watch out.
Up the nose and shit. Dude, that's personal.
Hey, they be doing some shit like that in the movies, güey. They gotta do the most.
There it is.
Who was Deuces?
Me. To the left hand, baby.
Hey, Palmas. When the
Short snippet.
Palmas, come get in the picture.
they won't check the weight. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap. I got the deals, the hoe I don't cap. I got the track and it land in my lap. I got tired of trapping, I started to rap. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap.
I would have had a hard time.
Like you described it perfectly.
I would record y'all as food, but tell them what we're about to do.
I'm about to go pierce my nips. Homies over
About to
here.
be team piercing gang.
Are you gonna
Yeah.
pierce yours too?
No.
Yes, you are.
I'll pierce mine, you pierce yours, but you gotta
They
go
bet
first.
they fucking dared me.
Alright,
Doing it for the vlog. He's doing it for the vlog.
You lost the bet.
the only thing is, guys, I gotta tell you, like, whenever they're doing it, he can only go in alone. He can't go in with a camera and all
Record
that stuff.
yourself, güey. Wait.
What do you think? He's gonna talk to you in a bit. Ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Deep breath. Deep breath. So breathe normal, bro. Breathe. ¿Dolió un poquito más esta?
Me dolió más esto.
Really? That's it?
No. Que me conoces.
I went there because one of my cousins is in the front, so.
Se parece
Yeah.
a Andy.
Yeah.
Are you done?
How'd it feel?
I bet it hurt.
It hurt, but not like. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's rock, baby.
This nigga ain't got not 1 inch of culo in his body, bro.
We back. We just got back from. I got 14%, bro. So we just got back from. I took them off. We took off.
Why do you put video? Oh.
Take off the patch. You gotta see it. Baby Chester. You asked for that one.
No.
See that little cause.
Just a little bit. Fuck you.
Hang a shirt on there.
They won't check the weight. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap. I got the deal, the hoe I don't cap. I got the track and it landed my lap. I got tired of trapping, I started to rap. I got Instagram hoes visit me at the trap. I got the deal, the hoe I don't cap. I got the track and it landed my lap. I got tired of trapping, I started to rap.